Hey guys, welcome to Lights and Buttons, and in this video we are going to talk about engine covers. Those pesky engine covers, specifically for my Acura TL, and along with that, those clips that tend to break. After owning the car not too long, maybe for a few years, I noticed that the clips start to break, either partially or completely snapping off. So I was asking Acura, do we even need the covers? After all, it looks like the Honda Accords from this generation don't even have the engine covers. At first I was thinking about just leaving these covers off, as some on the web also say that they don't think it's needed. However, when I asked Acura twice, both times they did say that it was required. Now, they did hint that the weather stripping was used for moisture control, so I see that along the edges, and also the bottom right engine cover helps shape the intake. So just to be safe, I'm going to leave these on, as much as I hate these look. Anyway, I figured, hey, maybe I'll just find some of these clips on the web for cheap, and to my surprise, it was actually hard to find on the web, and a lot of times the pictures don't even match the clip that I'm looking for. So I decided to go to Acura and eat the cost, and I figured, what, is this going to be like $20 a clip? But I've been surprised, this time pleasantly, that the price won't actually break the bank. It's only 64 cents per clip and no shipping. Now, going back to when I was doing my web search, some of these prices are a lot higher than the dealership itself, which I didn't expect. I thought, how hard is it to buy a clip? So I was going on eBay, I was looking, and they did have the part number that was listed. One was listed for 99 cents, which doesn't look that bad, but then you have a $6 shipping fee. Others, they're like $7 to $8, and yeah, that's a lot more than the dealership. Now, I call these clips, but these things are actually called striker engine cover, or by the part number. As a matter of fact, Honda just puts the part number on the bag, as you can see here. Anyway, for those of you who are in a situation similar to me, where you gotta replace these clips, hopefully this video helps. The Acura TL 4th generation spans from 2009 to 2014, so if you have one of those cars in that range, then this will most likely work. Not 100% sure, but pretty sure. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll see you in the next video.